Can you learn Python in one day? The short answer is yes. The long answer is also yes. You might be thinking, how the heck can I learn something in one day? Well, I'm glad you asked. Now, imagine this for a few seconds. Let's say you're an expert in Python. You can code solutions to any problem that is given to you. Your coding speed is insanely fast and you can code any complex problem in a matter of hours instead of days. Imagine you're basically one of those hackers that you see on TV. Now, let's say you're ready to apply for your dream job. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, wait, maybe not Amazon, but whichever company. For a second, just imagine you landed your dream high-paying job, something that you always wanted. Isn't that amazing? Now, let me ask you again. Can you learn Python in one day? You can definitely learn the basics in one day. But just like any other language or any other programming language, it will take time and effort. You will get better with practice and experience. But let's not go there yet. I want you to tell me what you thought when you first saw the title of this video. Can you? Can you learn Python in one day? And then hear me out and let me know in the comments later on if what I say next changes your perspective. If you're a beginner starting your journey in Python, you might expect to be coding like this one day. But when you start out to code, you might feel more like this. This happens to more people than you think. Heck, this happens to me. But a lot of times when you see other people trying to teach you how to code or post tutorials on YouTube or social media, they rely a lot on prepared material. I'm not saying that's bad. We do that on this channel too. But you have to know, when our mind sees something flawless, like a flawless tutorial, it sets expectations in our mind subconsciously. And when you start out, you will fail to meet your mind's expectations more frequently than you think. And one day, finally, you decide to give up and think that programming is not for you. When it comes to learning a new skill like Python or any other programming language, you have to break it down into steps. Step 1, know that it takes perseverance. You have to win your inner battles to not judge yourself. Step 2, you need a plan. This is where I differ from standard Python 101 courses or classes that you take in college or plan to take in college. In college, everything is structured in a way where you learn in depth over a long period of time, where you spend most of the time mastering one concept after another. For a lot of people, this can be overwhelming and demotivating, especially if you're not in college and trying to learn on your own. You might pick up a Python 101 course on Coursera or Free Code Camp or whatever, and the next thing you know, you need to dedicate a few hours every day. And who wants to do that? I know, if you want to learn something, you have to dedicate some time to it and you have to stick to the plan. There is no other way. But the problem here is not finding time or your dedication. It's the content that you learn and how it keeps you going. We as humans, we need to see the big picture first. We need to know how learning Python can help us early on. If not, we will not put our time and effort into it. This is our subconscious mind. For example, in school, if you took algebra, you might have wondered, how is algebra going to help in any way in my life or in the future, right?
I know my eggs, but I don't know why.
So that leads me to step 3, to ask you to like this video and subscribe. No, that's not it. Here it is. Instead of diving deep into each concept, first just expose yourself to only the basics. In a short period of time, aim to become knowledgeable in Python and not an expert, which means, in other words, if you're given a code, you should be able to understand the general idea of what the code is doing. But if you're asked to write the same code, you don't know where to start. So if you take all the concepts and just learn about them instead of actually learning them in your very first try, you are exposing your mind to the possibilities of Python. And when you know what it's capable of, you will find that motivation to explore each concept as you wish and learn to apply them. Which brings me back to the question I started with. Can you learn Python in one day? So you can see the answer is yes, but it leads to more questions. How much can you learn in one day? It depends on how much time and effort you put in. Second question, can you write a complex code or solve a complex problem? The answer is no, but you can start. And that is the first step that every experienced programmer takes. So you may be asking or wondering, where do I start? There are so many YouTubers like Programming with Mosh, Tech with Tim, and Brocode, and so on. They all have videos ranging from as short as just a few minutes to a few hours on Python. And if that seems overwhelming to sit through, here on our own channel, I have been building a playlist on Python 101 that goes over all the basics and essentials that you need to get started. And the good thing is, it is broken down into sections that you can follow in a structured manner, so you don't feel like you're all over the place. Now that you have access to so many resources, don't wait anymore, just get started. Here, let me help you by throwing this video up on the screen for you to watch and get started with learning Python right away. And I really hope that one day you will become an amazing programmer. Thank you for watching.